Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be checking out yet another microphone for your studio, your streaming setup, or your podcast. And of course, as always, before we do that, let's see what comes in the box. Before I get started opening this, I just wanted to point something out. I was looking at the back here, and BASN, what's this? Podcast, microphone? Was this on purpose or is this a typo? I don't know, but just figured I'd point that out. But yeah, let's get this started. Pop this open and let's reveal the microphone. So we got a little bit of packaging material here. Put that off to the side. First thing that we see is going to be a user guide for the SL2000. Very detailed. Very nice indeed. Next, we have a USB Type-C to C with an A adapter. We have a little spongy thing. Yes, little spongy thing. I believe this is part of the stand. Here's the other part of the stand. This is the base of the actual microphone. It goes on like this. And of course, we have the microphone itself. And oh my God, they sent out the white one / pearl / white / cream. They know me. What? They sent out the perfect color. I love these. I love anything in a white modern color. What? I think that's all that comes in there. Nothing else is in there. Let's check. Nope, that's it. We already got the base and this bar together. And this part just goes on like this. Okay, so I was a little bit confused trying to put this on there. And then I realized that actually this just does this. Boop. Comes right out. Oh, convenient. And this stays on top, which then actually tightens it up wherever you want it. Just like so. We're actually gonna put this lower. And then this goes on top of here. There we go. All right, now that we have it assembled, let's talk specs. The BASN SL2000 is a cardioid pattern pickup microphone. This means that it is a directional microphone that can easily filter out external noises due to its pickup pattern, with the main pickup being directly in front. The custom dynamic microphone capsule has a wide frequency response that ranges from 50 Hz all the way to 15 kHz. So it has rich bass, but it also picks up the highs very nicely. This microphone features two connection options. Option 1 is through USB Type-C for fast and easy setup. This lets you plug right into your computer or even a mobile device quickly and get you recording. If you are a gamer, you can quickly join up in voice chat. The second connection type is XLR. This connection opens up the ability to connect your microphone to a professional mixer or interface and allows you to get a more balanced sound, as well as giving you the freedom to mix your vocals how you want to. For podcasters and singers, this will be the connection to use, but keep in mind that the XLR cable is not included. To make sure you get clean vocals, this microphone also comes with a shock mount. The shock mount allows the microphone to hover in mid-air, so it has less of a chance to pick up vibrations on your desk or accidental hits. It wiggles very nicely and is kind of fun to shake around. As for the button, it comes with a knob that controls multiple things. The 3-in-1 mute knob, in USB mode, lets you long press to switch the volume control of the dynamic microphone and headset. Yes, this microphone has a headphone aux port, so you can monitor how you sound in real time. Now, if you like RGB, the BASN SL2000 has you covered. It comes with multi-scene RGB, featuring 3 dynamic plus 9 static RGB lighting modes to enhance visual appeal for live streaming or gaming setups. The colors and modes can be changed with the little RGB button on the back of the microphone. If you short press it, you will cycle through the modes and colors, and if you long press it, then it will turn off the RGB. As for looks, it gives me a sort of retro but modern feel. It's elegant, but also stylish, which stands out in any setup. It's also not super heavy, so it will attach nicely to any mic mount without it falling over. The microphone does come with a standard port, so you just need to remove the internal one with a coin or a screwdriver, and it will screw right into any mic mount or arm. With all of these features and capability, the BASN SL2000 is really boxing above its weight class, while staying at a very affordable cost. Stay tuned for the sound test coming up. For the audio test, we're actually going to be plugging it into our Focusrite interface, and we're going to sing into this. So if you don't want to have your ears hurting, Well, you can skip this part, but you might not want to, because you know you gotta hear what it sounds like, right? We're gonna talk into it a little bit. We're gonna sing a little bit into it, and yeah, we're gonna see what it sounds like. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be testing this awesome microphone here plugged into the Focusrite. This is what it sounds like with me just talking into it. Let's say over here and on the over here in the front. Over here on the right, over here. With the regular speaking voice plugged into the Focusrite interface onto my MacBook Pro, this is what I sound like just talking into it. But now we are going to turn on a little bit of a reverb, and we are going to showcase this in a different way. So, let's begin. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. And I know. I don't know the rest of the song, actually. Yeah, I know. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Yeah. Now, of course, I am not a professional singer. We added a little bit of reverb to the microphone to give it that tone, like if you're like singing in a shower kind of thing. You know, like when your voice bounces on the walls and gives it this like cool feel kind of thing. Yeah, you know, singers use that because, you know, I want to feel like a singer. But this way, at least you kind of get an idea of what you can possibly do with this microphone. So yes, you can hook it up to a DAW and add effects to it and all that cool stuff and make it sound the way that you want it to sound. Or you can just simply plug it in through USB to any computer, and it also works that way. But anyway, sorry for the ear bleed that I gave you. Moving on. So not only can you plug this in with a Type-C connector, but you can plug this in with an XLR connector, opening up so many other possibilities, allowing you to connect it to your different interfaces and DAWs. And not only that, it looks gorgeous. I love the look of this. Look at this. It wiggles around with the, you know, protecting you from the hits and stuff so you don't pick any of that up. I want to thank BASN for sending out the SL2000 so we can actually test it and show it to you. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so you can easily find it. Also, BASN does have other products in the audio category, so make sure that you check those out because they might have something specifically for you. If you already own this product, I want to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of it, what your experience is, and how you liked it. Until next time, take care of yourself and others. See you in the next video.